If you've got a big presentation to give and want to appear and feel more confident, then I recommend you try Tadasana or mountain pose. From your feet, rock side by side and forward and back, and make sure that you are centered right in the middle using all the surface area of your feet against the floor for support. Engage your thigh muscles against your thigh bones, so lift them off the kneecaps. Tuck your tailbone under, engage your tummy, make sure you are not flaring your ribs. Roll your shoulders up and down. Find height through the crown of your head, and then the last thing is turn your thumbs out. What this does is create height and width. You will feel more confident and certainly seem more confident just by standing this way. If the thumbs out are not a good look, then once you've locked in that position, just release your thumbs. Confident.